Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Lagrange, local and long-distance movers near me. If you're moving over 50 miles from your current address, it is a long-distance move. 3 Movers offers excellent long-distance services, and we ensure the safety of your belongings when you put them in our care. Our movers are competent, and they have excellent moving skills, and they know how to carry heavy items without hitting them on the walls. They also position them carefully inside the trucks. Our drivers are professionals, and they drive carefully and quickly. We also have adequate insurance policies that cover the risk. In no time and at no extra cost, all your belongings get to the destination. Your local move is also in capable hands when you hire 3 Movers. We are fully aware of how tough it is to move your belongings around in a busy city like Lagrange, Indiana. That is why we have dedicated time to familiarize ourselves with the various paths to the town. We also know the best way to move your belongings that have excellent customer service. Apart from our numerous exceptional qualities, locals love us because of our affordable prices. We charge as low as $30 to $50 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lagrange moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form. Pack